So I'm going to show you how to set up a Google map listing, which is this thing here. So when we're doing local lead generation for our trades or whatever industry you're in, we need to make sure that we have a Google My Business listing because it's going to get us more leads and more awareness. So I'm going to set one up for this website here, Retaining Wall Company, Wellington. So first, just hit plus and then type in Google My Business. Hit the first one up the top. Then we're going to sign in. Make sure you're signed into a Google account, and then we're going to call it the same or similar name to the website that we're doing it for. So in this case, Retaining Walls NZ. .co.nz is the name of the website. Wellington Retaining Walls NZ. What you can do to add to boost the chance of getting approved is adding some sort of name at the front. For example, Teak, Vale. You could use the last name. We don't want to just use the exact match keyword, which is Wellington Retaining Walls in this case. We don't want to use the keyword that we're going for. We want to call it the real business name. So if that means adding some extra stuff, then that's cool. So I'm going to put Teak in here. Choose your business type. We're going to choose local store and service business. Hit next. Business category. Put that in. That's pretty straightforward. Enter your business address. I think this one has an address. If not, it doesn't matter too much. What you want to do is pick it somewhere that's kind of industrial if you can. Here's an example here of a Hamilton fence builder. So these guys, I put them somewhere close to commercial, in a commercial area to make it more believable for Google. So if we scroll in here, should be somewhere close. Vale Hamilton fence builders. So here we can see it's kind of in an industrial area. If we hover over that, there's some meditation services, there's some creative stamping and craft shop. So let me check this address here, 39 Arrow Street. And I'll make sure this is quite a war museum. So it's kind of central. As we can see here, I've got another approved GMB. So I might put this other one, I might do 39A, because this is where my other GMB is. So I'm going to call this 39A Arthur Street. Boom. Just say no if your business is any of these ones. Okay, now we want to put in the business phone number. Ideally using a tracking number so you can forward the tracking code, the approval code to yourself. No, we don't want these. Okay, so now we're going to phone verification. So we want to do email code. So I've just logged into my Titan email, which is attached to my hosting plan. Uh, if you're working if you're setting up GMBs for myself, there might be some of you doing that. Then it'll be info at the domain name .co.nz or .com. Just confirm with me. It should be in the brief. But anyways, let's go back. So we've accessed our email. Now we're going to go back to getting verified. Email code info at Retaining Walls Wellington. Cool. Now we're going to hit next. Now we should get an email here. Boom, there it is. Got it. Copy that code, put it in here. So this will get us through the first verification. So for the hours, you want to match the website. So we've got 7 till 6, Monday to Saturday. Click the bottom one first, type in 7, 7, 7, 7. You can fill those through. 7 till 6, right? So 6, it's at 18. Um, 1, 8. You can copy paste to make it quicker. Done, hit next. Business description, you can just copy something from your website. Make sure the name is the same in the title of the GMB or the Google Business Listing as what you've put it on the description. So Teak Wellington Retaining Walls NZ. Add photos. We're going to add the logo here, so I'm going to save the logo down. Add that. Cool, and let's add an image of this retaining wall in the background. If you need to get images from websites, you can download this image downloader Chrome extension. Just hit Google it and then hit the download button. And then you want to hit this little thing here, the little puzzle, pin it so that you can access it easily. And then go to the page that you want to get the image from and hit the button. Cool, here's the image that we want. I'm just going to click download. And then we go back to Google My Business and we want to add that in as well. Cool, now hit next. Skip that. Okay, now it's going to get verified again. So we're at the first stage of the verification. There might be a chance that it gets banned, but if that's the case, you might be asked to do a video verification. And if you just record a blank screen for the business video verification, then I've had times where that has worked. So it should work. If not, let me know. Sometimes you've just got to try and open 5 Google My Businesses, and then one of them or 2 of them might hit, but it's definitely worth it because GMBs are super powerful. If you have any questions, drop me a DM.